hello, hello, wonderful explorers. KoKi is H-E-R-E.
Welcome to my little corner of wonder. This is where all the magic begins. Today, we're going on a big adventure. Out into the wild world. Whoa! It's even bigger and greener than I remembered. Look at this. So soft, so green, like a tiny forest for tiny bugs. A butterfly. It's dancing right here, just for us. Every leaf is a tiny work of art. Look at these patterns. The forest is just... wow! So many things to see, so many smells. Oops! Shh! Look! A tiny house for a tiny gnome, perhaps? Ah, the forest air. It smells like adventure and growing things. So much more to see. Come on, let's go deeper. Whoa! A rainbow of berries. And look, a river. Are these tasty berries? Or just pretty ones? Sweet and juicy. Nature's candy. See? Gentle wiggle and pop. It comes right off. It's chilly. But oh so nice! Splish splash! Look, a river gem. So smooth, like it's been sleeping for ages. Whee! Almost. It went plunk. So fun. The river always keeps going. Like our adventures. Never stops.
Being out here, I feel like I'm part of everything. It's so big.
Little treasures for my collection to remember today. Fly high, little friend. The sky is all yours.
Every day is a classroom, isn't it? Especially in nature. Time to take all this wonder home. See you soon. All right. Guess what I brought back from our adventure? See these tiny veins? They're like little roads for the tree's food. This stone traveled so far, rolled by the river. Imagine its stories. Drawing helps me remember all the tiny details, you know? Almost there! What do you think? Does it look like the real one? The best part of finding something amazing is getting to show all of YOU. What wonders are hiding right outside your window? Go find them! These are my memories of today. Each one a special moment. So much beauty in the small things, isn't there? If you just look close enough. Whoa! Almost a disaster! My camera nearly went on an adventure of its own. Whew! See? Even KoKi has clumsy moments. All part of the fun.
From my head to the paper, all the beauty we saw today.
Don't just look. Create. Show the world what you see.
What a day. My heart is full of forest whispers and river songs.
Home sweet home. After so much adventure, a cozy hug is the best. Thank you for coming along with me today. It's always better with friends.
Remember, wonder isn't just in big adventures. It's in every little thing around us. Even the night sky holds so many secrets and so much beauty.
But for now, it's time to dream of tomorrow's discoveries. Good night, friends. Big virtual hug for all of you. You're the best. Sleep tight and dream of wonders.